You may not realise that shares of Novo Nordisk have delivered strong gains between the middle of May and early June over the last 10 years. And with the stock under pressure after a trimmed forecast, this year's seasonal window could be setting up for a timely bounce. So let's analyse the data in a bit more detail. The chart here shows you the typical development of Novo Nordisk's share price between May the 17th and the 11th of June over the last decade. The stock has posted an average return of 2%, 2.06%, with a high 80% win rate, making it one of the more consistent bullish seasonal trades in the large cap healthcare space. So fundamentally, there could be a bit of a reset here. Novo Nordisk has cut its 2025 sales and profit forecast due to Wegovy's underperformance, and there is growing US competition now from Eli Lilly's Zepbound and pipeline weight loss pills like orforglipron. So sentiment is weak, but it's not broken. Although sales disappointed, the first quarter profit actually beat expectations, suggesting the recent drawdown may be more sentiment driven than perhaps fundamentally. Now, technically, if you just take a look at Novo Nordisk, you see we're trying to put in a base around this area. A close above this horizontal support, sort of 65, 66, could confirm a local bottom, especially if the seasonal pattern kicks in. What's the upside? Well, sometimes Novo Nordisk has had gains of over 10%, and on occasions it's been 8%, 0.76, 7.51. So, the mean reversion from oversold levels could coincide with improving visibility on US access with the CVS and telehealth deals which have recently been agreed. So that could catalyze fresh inflows. Trade risks, the key risks of this bullish outlook include further margin compression from discounting, ongoing loss of potential US market share to Lilly, and failure of the FDA to meaningfully enforce against compounding pharmacies. Because if a drug is on the FDA shortage list, US compounding pharmacies are allowed to replicate it even if it's normally protected by patent. Remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax it. Sign up here at Seasonax for literally thousands more seasonal insights that are just waiting to be revealed.